Hello everyone, my name is Sri Charan. I'm currently pursuing my BTech final year in Shastra University, Tanjavur, in Tamil Nadu. And recently I got placed in a company called Tiger Analytics, which is an analytics based company in Chennai. And I got this opportunity through the Shastra placement cell. It's an on campus opportunity. There were totally 4 rounds in this process. First round is a written test, that is an online test which contains MCQs, object oriented programming questions, and finally a single coding question. The coding question has only Java or Python preference. Oops questions are MCQs. You need a deep knowledge of the oops concepts to solve these questions. It depends on the language you select, like there are Java, Python and CPP options. And coming to the MCQs, they are completely based on the aptitude and mathematical reasoning. For this aptitude reasoning, I suggest a book called R.S. Agarwal, which is like a Bible of aptitude. And coming to the OOPS concepts and the coding, you can refer Geeks for Geeks or Lead Code. Those are the best options for you. And this is all about the first round. Coming to the second round, it's a live coding round in which there will be a interviewer who will paste some coding questions in the Google Jamboard, and seeing those, you should solve them. There are 3 questions given to me in this round. First one is he asked me to find out the total number of distinct ways to climb up the n number of stairs, one at a time or two at a time. So for this, I wrote both the recursive and dynamic programming like codes for them in the Java, and he suggested me to go through Python, but I told Java is my main language, so I told I will be coding in Java. He accepted it. And the second question is 8 queens problem, in which he will be giving me a sequence of queens arranged in a chessboard. We should tell him whether it's a correct sequence or not. A correct sequence is a sequence in which no queen can attack another queen. And coming to the third question, it was a technical based on Java. Like he gave me a data of like 20 GB and asked me how will you manage this data with the Java buffer reader. After explaining it, he asked me how can you use the present modern techniques and like manage this data. I explained him about the big data using Hadoop and MapReduce. He was okay with it, and he told that to your level it's a good answer, but you need to improve. So this is about the second round. Coming to the third round, it's an data analytics round with some aptitude questions also. The data analytics questions were like scenario based questions. My interviewer is the vice president of Tiger Analytics for the Chennai location. He asked me many scenarios like regarding this analytics topics. Some of the scenarios are like he gave me a situation where it's a festival season in the coming next week, and you need to sell some objects based on the historic data. He asked me to predict how much amount of quantity we need to manufacture so that all the requirements will be satisfied, and the like extra goods will be number of extra goods will be minimum quantity. So in this way, you need to predict that amount using the previous historic data set. And also he asked me how will you fill the missing values or the null values. He told me that don't tell the basic objects like mean, mode or median. He asked me to explain some other new algorithm like KNN imputation, etc. And also he asked me how will you convert the categorical data into numerical data. These were some of the basic questions in the analytics topics, and which are compulsory, which you need to know about them. There were some of the aptitude questions like he gave me a 3-liter jug and a 5-liter jug and asked me to measure a 4 liters of water. And also he gave me some of the equations to solve, like three variable two equations to solve, and he used to give a hint like all are integers and some specific variable is a prime number. So based on that, we should assume a number and solve for the other variables. These are some of the aptitude questions. Like he asked me like 6 to 7 aptitude questions, and I solved all of them. The final interview was the HR round. It was like a 20 minutes round in which basic HR questions like, uh, are you having any further study plans, or where you see yourself after 5 years, and did you visit Chennai before, and what are the places you like in Chennai based on the location. These are some of the basic HR questions. You can refer Geeks for these answers. You can refer the model answer, and you can improve yourself according to your caliber. And some of the tips for this like interview process is like you should be thorough with the basic formulas for aptitude and mathematical reasoning, and also refer the book called R.S. Agarwal. It is a very good book for you. And coming to the technical concepts in languages or something, you can refer Geeks, which is the best website for you. And other than that, only involve the topics which you know like 80% in your resume. Don't keep the topics like you know only about like 30 to 40%, because they will definitely ask each and everything from your resume, and sometimes you may not answer all those. It will give a negative impact on you to the interviewer. And this is almost my 15th interview, and after this I got this job. So don't leave hopes. Try as like as many as possible by you. And other than this, coming to like specific preparation towards a company, I did not prepare anything specifically for this company. Only the topics I referred is like analytics topics, because the company is based on analytics. Like there are huge number of books available on the online, or you can also refer the Geeks for Geeks. So I referred only these online websites to prepare for the uh, placements.